What's up guys? In today's video we did something that in our decades of playing Airsoft we haven't done before. Riding a jet ski during an Airsoft game. The game mode is as follows. Next to this pond there is a big red container that both teams need to reach in order to win the game. Meanwhile, Josef and I have to protect that container while riding a jet ski. I needed a lot of firepower for this job, so the SSR-4 was my obvious choice.
Got another guy! Over there!
A high fire rate to cut through the bushes paired with magazines with over 140 BBs. I would not like to be on the receiving end of this AG right now.
On there.
Got him!
Nice.
Alright, let's move!
This is ridiculous.
Come on!
The first wave of players has been stopped. After a quick reload, we reposition ourselves to defend again.
We're through! Mag 2!
Yeah, running.
I'm standing! No! Go!
Here.
Seems like some defenders totally forgot about us. More easy targets for us. The attacking team finally realized that they have to deal somehow with us. So one of them threw a smoke grenade right next to the lake.
Yeah.
Standing up.
Just lean on me with your knees. Here behind the tree, man.
The smoke cleared up. Let's get them.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there we go. There is many. Behind the tree.
Which tree? No, let's go back to them.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, I can't turn around.
Here. Behind the barrel. Here, there is one.
Yeah, there we go. Just bring it. It's over.
The game is over and we really had way too much fun to care about who won in the end. Thanks to Ballahack Airsoft for letting us steer up the pond, and apologies to the fish in there for the rough 30 minutes.
You should do a couple rounds, man. It's so fun.
I don't know if this will actually work.
That was awesome.
As always, if you're interested in the gear we're using, you can find everything except for the jet ski on Novritsch.com.
Here we go. Yeah, shit.